Alright, in this video we are doing a brake upgrade. I'm going to be upgrading all 4 brake lines to braided lines here. Also going to be upgrading my front pads to Hawk Performance. Alright, so going along with my stainless steel brake lines, my Hawk Performance brake rotors, I did take off my old calipers off the TL, and I'm actually gonna strip off the paint, sand them down, and then respray them. So, all right, I just finished prepping the brake calipers. As you can see, I sand them down a little bit. I bought the 3-stage, I guess you could say, sander kit from AutoZone, just at their local parts store. It has like a stage 1, stage 2, and then stage 3. I hit it with some aircraft paint strip remover, let it sit for a couple minutes, wire brushed it, and then cleaned it up with brake cleaner. And then I sanded it down with the 3-step there, and then alright, so just finishing up the calipers. It's been a few days. I had to coat these about 4 times. I did it, coated them twice, let it dry overnight, and then coated it two more extra times. I'm gonna go ahead. I did order these high resistant Brembo stickers. Alright, just finished up installing the brakes. This is the front. Obviously, we got the Brembo calipers installed with the sticker on it. Like you guys can see, you got this braided line on, new rotors, new pads in, and the caliper installed. So this is how it looks, the finished product. I am going to have to bleed all 4 calipers. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to show you guys a little process of what I do to breed. We have a little bleeder kit here from Snap-on. Basically uses a air compressor hose to push out all the air bubbles out, as basically pulling the braking disc loose for the bleeder valve, and then it pulls up all the bubbles. And we have right there for the reservoir to add more fluid as it goes through. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and bleed all 4. Should be fairly quick, and then this car should be all done. Alright, just finished the brakes, bled all 4, took it out for a spin, and everything seems to be holding up just fine. No issues with the brakes. Just doing a little follow-up video with on the braided lines and new pads and rotors for all 4. So far so good. Just a little sneak peek on another video that's probably going to be coming up soon. I picked up another TL Type S 6-speed.